Hey guys, what's up? Beast and Beast Toys are coming at you on a Saturday evening. Gonna do an opening of a Queen Marlena cartoon collection. So we never had her before. This is a completely new figure for us. If you're in the Masters world or have been collecting since you were a kid, definitely new. As I showed on the other, only two in the wave. Her and King Randor. So, and then you get the Rainbow Warrior. So that's the one from. This is the, I believe, the one that kind of gives her, that's the cartoon that kind of gives her backstory, I'm pretty sure. Nice card back I got here from Big Bad. Pretty dang straight, unpunched, as you can see at the top. Definitely unpunched. It's like I said, heroic Queen of Eternia. And so my only issue is, well, it's not really an issue, but if I was I didn't want to open her, or I wanted an opener, probably leave this one and my King Randor that I did before, if you watch that video, alone, because these are in really good shape. Big Bad is just good, even if you don't get the upgraded. I want to say that even if you don't get the upgraded version, the upgraded collector's edition, or collector's version, so to speak, that you usually do get a very good copy. Jeez, I'm feeling like I'm talking about video games now. You get a very good I'm telling you, I'm losing my train of thought. Well, I'm trying not to cut. I cut a nick out of my last comic, so I'm trying to keep one in really good shape, I guess. Trying to open it. I cut a nick out of King Randor's a minute ago. So I'm trying not to do that with this one. And so, yeah. So I'm trying to, and then I lost my train of thought as I was talking. So I think where I was going is, my point is, you can never go wrong with Big Bad Toy Store. They usually, even if you don't ask for the specific collector's version, that's what I'm trying to say. If you don't get the collector's edition, collector's version, yeah. Boy, dang near nicked that in the same spot as the other one. It's got a little nick. It's not really ripped, but a little nick. So, yeah, there it is. Courtship is the comic. Looks like Keldor in the background. Gonna order my Masterverse Keldor, I think, a little later off Amazon and get that knocked out. So Queen Marlena doesn't come with a whole heck of a lot. You're really not getting anything specific or anything fancy here. She comes with her helmet. Again, it goes backstory from the cartoon, or I should say, it's her from the cartoon that shows her backstory. Again, there you go. Nice card back. Just we're opening. We're doing the opening. So it does flip up and down. So you do get the version. So it looks like you could. I'm wondering if her crown does not come off. And I still say sometimes, I wonder why they still put these in there so good. I don't know. I guess you got some stores still carry. I guess they still carry them some stores. I don't know. I don't feel like you're going to see these in the wild. That's the problem. Like, why put that in there? They're never going to open. Okay, so not sure. Let's turn. I'm going to tell you, be very careful with her. Her arms aren't even her joints to turn her arms up and move them are not in the exact spot I would expected. You can bend her leg joints. I don't advise it a whole lot, as you can see, but I'm gonna hurry up and put them back. She's gonna stand up straight. I had saw somewhere where someone had thought she was like the Shadow Weaver and had a stand and not an actual set of legs. She is not. She has a set of legs. Now, the interesting part is that's what I was thinking was going to happen. I was thinking you're going to either, if her crown doesn't come off, you're going to be able to take her head off. Why you would ever want to put this on, though, is beyond me. So you can do it like this. There it is. There she is. See, again, she don't come with a whole lot, so you're really not getting nothing fancy here. I mean, there's, like I said, regular legs, female legs with the boots, so just be careful. I always say that because I can tell you that these pieces can be could easily be broken. So, at any rate, God bless them. Okay. All right. Let's fix this. There we go. All right. Well, at any rate, that's all you're going to get out of this is you get the helmet, which, it is what it is. I just probably prefer her as is, Queen Marlena. That's really how I knew her, how I remember her on the show. She was human, and she came to Eternia. So, probably a resourceful lady. Just didn't see a whole lot out of her in the show, just on occasion. So, all right, guys. Well, there's your Queen Marlena. Gonna go with King Randor. Got my King Randor down there. Did a video before this, so if you want to check him out, go right ahead. Check him out. He's neat. He's a good character. But here she is. Again, nothing fancy. Seems to me it's just kind of surprising that this character is hard to kind of fit, because really when you look around, there's not many places you can still get her. She's sold out, and she's okay. Like I said, she's okay. I think it's a matter of we never got her in the original line, anything like that. This is one of the first, to my knowledge, I mean, I could be wrong, one of the first versions of her that we've ever gotten. So cool, nonetheless. Gonna go with the collection just fine. Gonna put her on my shelf with my other cartoon collections. So, and that's it. So there you go, guys. There's your Queen Marlena. So very nice. All right, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to get notifications of my video reviews. And again, thanks for watching. And with Queen Marlena, Bees from Bees Toys. We'll see you.